Welcome back to another packet tracer activity. This is 513 and we're just investigating connected static and dynamic routing. So we're just going to look at the directly connected, the static, and the dynamic routes in a network. So let's just jump right into it. I just want us to look at the routers and see what kind of connections are in there. So we go to the Phoenix 1 into the CLI, and we just need to do an enable and then show IP route, and we want to identify the directly connected routes. So that is right here. You can see them with the C, the directly connected. Here's the first one here, and two more down there. Fast Ethernet 0 0 serial 0 0, Fast Ethernet 1 0. And then on the Denver router, I press show run, which is good. So a show IP route, and we're looking for directly connected routes. You can see we've got 3, 4 of them down here. All the ones that have the C over here, I say are directly connected, are the directly connected routes. And now we're going to look at static routes on the Phoenix 2. So you can tell which ones are the static routes because they have the S by them here. So there's 3 of the S's on here on Phoenix 2 router, and now we'll go to the Dallas router to look at the static routes on that one. And you can see there's just one right here. Alright, and now we're going to look at dynamic routes. So we're going to go to the Denver router again. So we're back to it, and we're looking at which routes are dynamic. And those all start with a D. That doesn't necessarily mean dynamic, but it stands for EIGRP, which is a dynamic routing protocol. So there you go. All the ones that start with D are dynamic routes. And then the Dallas router, same thing, all the dynamic routes. This one is just going to be the R. The R up here stands for RIP, which is a dynamic routing protocol. So the ones that start with R, C are connected, and then S is the static. So just to look at the reflection, how many directly connected routes were in the Denver routing table? 3 directly connected. Start with a C. What was the next hop IP address for the static routes in the Phoenix 2 routers routing table? So the next hop for the static routes, that's right here, and that was for both of them, 172.16.100.9. Static routes are with the S. Same thing down at this one here. The next hop, they're all through the same. And then, based on the routing table from Denver, what routing protocol is being used? When we looked at that, they have D on here for EIGRP. So that is it. That's how we can see what routes, what type of routes, dynamic, static, or directly connected, that we have on routers, and just showing how to use that show IP route command. So that is it for this activity. Thank you very much for watching.